Hi there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your Google Apps student account for the first time. You should already have gotten some information from your teacher, but I'll mention some of that as we go along here. You'll notice that I've got an Internet Explorer window open, and now all I'm going to do is just go to google.com. And you're probably familiar with the way this page looks, but up here in the right hand corner there's a button that says sign in, and I want to click on that button. Okay, and now we have two areas that we need to fill in: our email and our password. Email is actually just the username that you're going to have. As a student, you're not actually going to have email, but it doesn't matter, it's the same, it looks like an email address. I've set up a test account, so this is just what I'm going to do, but you will use your username. So if you already have a network account for Malone, which you should if you're watching this video, you'll use whatever your username is, and then the @ part will be different. So for instance, my username to log into the Malone network at school, if I want to log into a computer, is mdalton@malonecsd.org. Okay, so yours will be your year of graduation, and then so you'll have that number, and then your first initial, maybe middle initial, and last name. So you're going to use the same. That part is going to be the same. Whatever you're already using, it'll be the same. Now for this one, I'm just going to put in the test account that I created. So it's just primary student, so pstudent at. Now here's where it's a little bit different. It's Malone. Let me move that out of the way. Schools.org. Okay, so again, what you're going to use is whatever you currently use to log into our network. That's this first part. So it'll be 12 blah 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 whatever, and then at maloneschools.org. Okay, and then the password. I'm not going to say it here because this video is going to be out there for the public, but the password will be the same for all of you. When you're first setting up your account, you'll see why in just a second. So your teacher will already have given you that temporary password. Maybe they'll have written it on the board so you can see what it is, but you're going to use, all of you will use that same temporary password. So let me type it in here. Okay, now the other thing that I want to do here is, because this is not my home computer, this is a computer here at school, I'm going to uncheck the box that says stay signed in. Okay, and now when I click sign in, you're going to see why you're all using the same password to log in the first time. Okay, so the first thing it says is here's your new account, and this is a good idea to read down through here and make sure that you know what it's saying. One of the things to be aware of is that it says that this account belongs to the Malone Central School District, not to you. So what that means is, from a legal point of view, if the school ever needs to get into your account, that they can. So if you have something in there, they have the right to look at that. Okay, so I'm going to click on I accept, continue to my account. Now I have to create a new password of my own. Okay, so whatever you want to use as a password. So that first thing that you used, that temporary password that your teacher told you, after you do this the first time, you never need to use that password again. Instead, you're always going to use the one that you're creating for yourself right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put a new password in. And I'm going to click on change password after I've typed the same password twice. And there we go. I'm still on google.com, but now I know that I'm okay. My account is actually set up and ready to go, because up here in the right hand corner where that sign in button was, now it shows my login, that pstudent@maloneschools.org. Okay, so that's all there is to it.